Hi friends, it's Miss Vandermergel, and today I'm going to show you how to open and create a document. Use your spoken words to turn it into text. So let's get started. Take a look at the waffle right here. See where it says Google Apps? Click there and go to Google Docs. See where it says Docs? It's the blue rectangle with some white lines. If you don't see it at the top, you can scroll down and it might be farther down, but mine's right here. You're going to click your docs. You're going to click a blank document. If we haven't set up something for you, you'll just click right there. Now, see how it says untitled document? So if you're doing a brand new one, you can title it. But here's the really cool part. Click for tools. And then do you see the microphone right here? It says voice typing. You're going to click this and it's going to type the words that come out of your mouth. Take a look. I'm going to click here to speak. Now, if you've not done this before, it's going to ask for permission and you'll click yes. So Google will have permission to use your microphone. See right here where it says docs.google.com wants to use your microphone? You are going to click allow. Do you see that right there? Click that. That way you'll be able to use this feature. All right, here we go. See where I just said, all right, here we go, and it just started typing? Period. Because I said the word period, it typed a period. All right. New paragraph. I'm going to stop for a second. And do you see all this I typed here? I'm going to get rid of all that because I don't want to say that. I'm going to type my name. I'm going to say my name and see if it types it for me. Laura Vandermergel. All right, it didn't do a very good job. It might not do a very good job for you either. Press the return key and let's get started. This week we're going to write a story. So I'm going to click my microphone again and it's going to start recording to text on my Google Doc what my story's about. On a dark and stormy night, there once was a giant castle, period. The castle had large stone walls, big windows, and a creepy feeling about it, period. So that's my opening. On a dark and stormy night, there once was a giant castle. The castle had large stone walls, big windows, and a creepy feeling about it. Now, do you see how Google Docs did a blue underline? This is trying to tell us we need a comma because we have some words that are describing. So if I click this, see where it says suggestion, it'll fix it right there. All right, so now you know how to use your spoken word to turn into text using this microphone over here. Make sure you title your document. So mine's like scary story. I'm going to do my best. And then if you want to share it with your teacher, which may or may not be what you'll be doing, Miss Rodriguez and I will probably create an assignment, but you can share it with someone like your teachers and you would type our names. We'll get into that in another video, but just want you to know that you have all these really cool features. All right, so Miss Rodriguez and I are super excited and we can't wait to talk to you about your story this week. Great job today.